In this video, you're going to learn how to tie the Lace Goddess by Nature dress as a halter neck. So I've done this one really high at the neck to give it more of a modern look. And then I've just done a really low knot at the back to give it a low back feature. And I've wrapped it around and tied it in a bow at the back, which looks so pretty. Enjoy!